Hello and welcome to another EncryptPro video. In this video you will learn how to work on encrypted files with a simple double click without going through the decrypt, edit and re-encrypt cycles every time you need to make a change. EncryptPro's on-the-fly access feature allows you to work on your encrypted files as if they were unencrypted. Just double click on any encrypted file and it opens in its native application just like any other unencrypted file. The software handles everything behind the scenes so you get a seamless uninterrupted workflow experience. Your encrypted files work from anywhere, a folder on your main drive, an external hard drive, a USB stick, it doesn't matter where the file is sitting. Plug in a USB, navigate to the file and just double click to access it. The software handles everything no matter where the file lives. When you double click any encrypted file, EncryptPro checks whether the personal security group or the PGP connection is logged or unlocked. If logged, it shows you the corresponding password prompt to open the file in its native application. The logged status of personal security groups and PGP connections can be checked in the software UI and also on the file icons themselves, so you get all the necessary information at a glance. On-the-fly access feature opens the file in the default application for that file type. Like for text files, you normally have Notepad, and for video files, you have some media player. If you do not have any default application assigned for any file type, you will get notified that the software couldn't find the default application, and then you can go into the Windows setting to select the default application for that particular file extension. Once the file is open, the experience is no different from any regular file as you're working directly in Word, Excel, or your image editor, whatever the native application is for that file type. When you're done working, you're presented with two options. Cancel discards any changes and your encrypted file remains untouched. With Save My Changes option, EncryptPro re-encrypts the file with your changes and replace it with the old encrypted version. Either way, the temporary decrypted copy is automatically shredded and it's overwritten with zeros and random data across multiple passes. That's why it's unrecoverable. And there is also a safety net. Every time EncryptPro starts, it scans the temporary directory and wipes any leftover files in case if there were any left behind by an unexpected crash, which is highly unlikely. One thing worth noting, EncryptPro does not watch your file for saves in the background while you work. It does not run silently and intercept every Ctrl+S you press. Re-encryption only happens when you click Save My Changes button. This is a deliberate choice we made. It keeps resource usage minimal and keeps you in control of when the re-encryption should happen. Streaming decryption is what makes this on-the-fly access feature even more powerful. When you double-click an encrypted file, EncryptPro does not sit and wait for the entire file to finish decryption before opening it. It starts streaming the file the moment enough data is ready. A 10 GB encrypted video, for example, begins playing within seconds of the double-click, while decryption continues silently in the background. EncryptPro does not make you sit and wait for the full decryption. Some file types need special handling. Archives like .rar files and certain other formats can't be streamed. They require complete decryption before they can be opened. In settings, you'll find on-the-fly full decrypt section where you can add any such file extension that you want to be fully decrypted before it can be opened. Everything else streams immediately. In the next video, we will cover folder encryption, where you will see how can you encrypt entire folders at once. Thanks for watching the video and I'll catch you in the next one.